everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. If you are new to my channel, then I just want to say hi, welcome. My name is Carly. I am a mum of 3 boys and my channel is all things mum related, home, cleaning, fashion, food, a bit of everything. So I would love it if you hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to jump straight into the video because obviously it's Home Bargains haul and that's what you guys all want to see, and I have got really nice things in this haul. There was some new things. I went to a new Home Bargains, like not a new one but a different one, which is always fun because that's the definition of fun for me. So I have got some really nice little things, some really nice like decorative pieces for around the house, so please stay tuned and see what I picked up. I'm gonna have to keep sipping my coffee throughout this video because it is back to school run mornings. I am back and forth walking to the school, up early, the weather's rubbish, so I really am relying on hot coffee at the moment. I thought I would do my little video sat by the fire today. It's not on, or the light's on but it's not hot, but I just feel like it's just getting to that time now where I just want to be cozy, fluffy sock, just nice hot drinks and cozy weather. So yeah, this is my little backdrop for today. And also just to show you my cute little bee mug, this was actually also from Home Bargains. I mentioned it in another Home Bargains haul. It's my favourite mug now, I use it all the time. Okay, a few sips of coffee, I should be ready now. Okay, so I have been really jealous of everybody else's pumpkins. Everyone's going to Home Sense and TK Maxx and picking up beautiful pumpkins, and I spotted these in Home Bargains and they were too cute and too much of a bargain to leave behind. They were, I'm pretty sure, I don't have my receipt, I've completely lost it, so I apologise, I can't tell you the exact price, but I'm pretty sure they were 99p. They did them in silver, gold and then orange. And my original plan with these was to, because I just wanted some cheap pumpkins that I could then upcycle. I wanted to paint them or put fabric on them. I wanted to do something fun with them, but I actually quite like these now that I've got them home. They are really irritating for the fact that they just get glitter on absolutely everything. I am covered, but I think they're really nice. I don't know whether I'm going to keep them like this or whether I'm going to change them up a bit, but definitely look out for them because I thought for 99p, even if it's not your particular taste for the actual pumpkin shape, because I've seen some really good videos of people upcycling like the ugly orange ones, the like the ceramic ones and things, and I really wanted to do some little crafts, but I am undecided. I may change them up or I may keep them like this. And now I am just covered in glitter, but never mind. Okay, another thing that I picked up from the Halloween aisle was this wreath. Now, I'm not like a massive Halloween fan. I don't really decorate. The kids don't love Halloween in my house. But I didn't actually buy this because I wanted this style wreath. I actually bought it because it was, I think it was £1.99. Again, I'm guessing it was definitely, it was under £2. But I want to actually take all of this off and I wanted the actual plastic wreath shape, so that I can do my own wreath of some kind. So I've been having a little look at like artificial flowers and artificial eucalyptus and thinking of what I want to put around here. So I am hoping that that will be another video that I do actually, where I do a few upcycles of things, a few little craft videos. So yeah, all of this is actually going to come off, but I just wanted to buy it for the actual wreath itself, and then hopefully I'm going to make something quite pretty, fingers crossed. Yeah, they had a lot of this sort of stuff, a lot of Halloween stuff in there. Now if you are into Halloween, obviously I know loads of people are, I just don't love it. I don't know, the kids like to go trick-or-treating now, but it's taken a while for them to actually enjoy doing that. But I don't really decorate or anything, but this was great. This is going to definitely be recycled. So another thing I picked up in mind for a bit of a upcycle was these little cutlery buckets. So these were really inexpensive, £1 something. I'm so sorry that I can't say the specific prices of things. And obviously they say cutlery on the front, but I plan to maybe make them look a bit more rustic and age them a little bit. And I'm going to get this off and I am probably going to use them as planters, I think. I read last night on Pinterest that to make galvanised buckets look more rustic and more farmhouse style is to use toilet cleaner on them, and you can make a really nice effect and they just look a bit more weathered, which is nicer than the shiny sort of outside. But for the price, my sister bought one as well that was much bigger bucket that she's going to use as a planter. So obviously I've just tried to go in looking for things that I could use as other things, but I'm probably going to put some nice, probably artificial plants in here. But I did think that would be quite nice, obviously just removing the cutlery sign off the front. So I got 2 of those. So another thing that I picked up was this, which I am so pleased with. I had looked at similar ones to this in like the range, and I think it's, I mean, they're all around the similar price, but this is probably a little bit cheaper. It was around £5, and it's got the artificial roses in the top and this mirrored glass vase, and this is going to look really nice on my little office desk. And yeah, I'm really pleased that I picked it up. I nearly picked up 2, but I just got the 1. But I hadn't seen these in my local Home Bargains, so I don't know whether it's a new thing or whether it's just not in the one near me, but I was not going to leave that behind, so I'm really pleased with that. I also picked up a candle, which I think looks so much more expensive than it is. They are so cheap in there, and even if I'm not going to burn it, then it just looks really nice. Again, I'm probably going to keep it on my desk. I got this in the scent Pomegranate. I just love the smell of that. I'm really pleased with it. It's such a dupe for like the big, much more expensive brands. And yeah, I think just as a decorative piece, it looks really nice around the house. I always like to pick up a few candles when I'm in there, and yeah, I'm not disappointed with this one. I might get a couple more because I know they've got other scents as well. So yeah, nice big chunky candle for very inexpensive price. I picked up this marble wrapping paper, which I just think is such a beautiful print, but I don't actually plan to wrap anything like any presents with it. I have got some other little crafts, me banging on about my little craft ideas. I get like this around Christmas time and things. My Pinterest searching just goes through the roof. I love looking at things that I can make, and yeah, being in and cozy and getting my little crafty things out. So I picked up this because I'm hoping that I can make something with it for a really nice decorative home accessory. So we shall see. Hopefully it all goes to plan. So make sure you're subscribed if you like seeing like little craft videos, because I love making things, especially for cheap. I love to make a real bargain, pretty homeware item. If I ever see anything anywhere that I love, I always try and think of a way that I could do it myself and cheaper. So this has got that in mind, of a very expensive home accessory that I want to try and make for very, very low price. So watch this space. I also picked up this wire basket. I love these things. I always struggle though just to think about what I could put inside them. I'm planning to put this in the boys' room that I am still decorating. It's taking me forever, but they've got some shelves that I'm just slowly finding little nice pretty things that I want to put in there, and this is going to be one of them. I just need to think of something to put inside it. It is like a Scandinavian sort of like Nordic theme, their room, so I didn't know whether to get some, say like polar bear teddies and things that I could just put in there, because it's just, the shelves are just full of decorative pieces really, but I thought that would look quite nice on there for storing things in. So any ideas of what you think I can put in this that looks like nice to be on show, then please leave a comment down below, because I would love to know. But this is the Jeff Banks range that they do in Home Bargains, and it was very inexpensive again. I wish I could find my receipt. I have no idea where I've put it. I made sure to get my receipt so that I could say prices, and I just completely lost it. But they had loads and loads of different storage in Home Bargains, so if you don't know already, then definitely go and check out the storage in Home Bargains. I also picked up this little, it's a toothbrush holder, but I'm not going to use it to hold toothbrushes in. It is going to be my little pen pot to go on my desk, because I just thought it was nice and simple and pretty and just goes with everything else. And it was probably around £2, no more than that. So I just added that to my basket as well, so I can put all my pens, because I lose pens all over the house, and the kids can never find a pencil if they're doing things, so I can put all our little pens and pencils in there. It would also be nice for makeup brushes, obviously for its actual use, for it to be a toothbrush holder. Yeah, really inexpensive, and it could be from somewhere more expensive. You could even jazz it up a little bit and put some like diamantes or something on it if you wanted to. So I'm really pleased with that. I picked up some packs of tissues. These were only 15p each. So cheap. So I picked up three packs of these, and it just says got the sniffles. They had a lot of other cute designs as well, and I know it's only a pack of tissues, but I just thought it looks quite nice with the design that they've chosen. They had like polka dot ones and things as well, but I just like this one the best. But yeah, it just opens up like this, and then you can take a tissue out. I just thought it was cute. 15p. I mean 15p, my god, so cheap. And obviously just one of those things to keep in your handbag, because you never know when you're gonna need a tissue. I picked up some of this Osmo because I'm pretty sure I've seen Mrs. Hinch using it. So they had the bin cleaner and this fridge and microwave cleaner, and I just really want to give it a go. I love getting new cleaning products, even if I've got something that can already do the job. I thought this looks like, because I haven't tried it before, I want to give it a try. And we've just got the new fridge, and I just wanted to get some new cleaner for it, because that's just how sad I am. So I'm going to give the fridge and microwave a good clean with this. But yeah, Osmo 3-in-1 800 sprays. Somebody's tested that, haven't they? So there is 800 sprays in here. So that obviously gets rid of odours, kills 99.9% of germs, and it is food safe, so that's always good. And yeah, just picked that up whilst it was in there, and I'm probably going to get the bin one next time I go in. I don't know why I didn't, to be honest, but yeah, looking forward to seeing if that is any good. I got some dry shampoo, the Batiste range. I have lost the lid somewhere as well around the house. I had completely run out of this, so that was always a must, things like this, when I go in Home Bargains, to stock up on this, and deodorant and shampoo and conditioner, and yeah, all that sort of stuff. So I picked up that. And then speaking of deodorant, I picked up this Dove one that was only 99p. It was just in the offers bit, so I just popped that in my basket as well. And it is in the scent Summer Ritual. And then I picked up some LV. This is just always my go-to for shampoo and conditioner. I love this brand. I just always feel like my hair feels the best when I use this. So I don't think I've actually used this one before, this rebalancing shampoo, the Extraordinary Clay. So this is for oily roots and dry ends, which explains my hair type down to a T. And then I got because they didn't have matching ones, not that I suppose it really matters. This is the Extraordinary Oil, the Nourishing Conditioner. So dry to very dry hair. So for those dry ends, hopefully will sort them out for me. I also picked up loads of sweets for the boys, but a lot of them have been eaten already because it was Dylan's birthday, and I did a Graze tray. So go and look at it on my Instagram if you are interested in seeing a really lovely snack platter. I was really pleased with how easy it was actually. I just bought loads and loads of treats and just spread it all out over a tray, and when he got in from school, he played on his games and stuffed his face, all the kids did. So I got loads of sweets, and this is all that remains, this bag of squashies, because the kids love these. I'm not a big fan, to be fair, which is probably a good thing. I'm a bit hit and miss with sweets. I'm much more of a chocolate person than sweet, so I can be trusted around these. But yeah, these are just the bubblegum flavour, so no doubt they will be gone soon as well, but they got saved from the snack platter, so they can have them at the weekend. And I also just got a couple of tubes of these toothpaste. I know that you don't need to use kids' toothpaste and you can use the adult ones, but I have fussy kids and Archie likes to use this still. So this is the Aquafresh Little Teeth, ages 3 to 5. And I also picked up this for myself. This is just one of those expanding files, so I needed something for each month that I can store things in, and it comes with, oh, I didn't even see this, so it comes with each month on here, which is absolutely perfect, and obviously it expands like this. So that is going to go straight on my little office table because I need things to help me be organised. I think that was about 99p. And then just to show you a couple of other little things that I picked up from other shops, it's not Home Bargains. Again, to go with my little office table, I picked this up from Sainsbury's. This was £6.50. I just love the colour of it. Again, just to store all that ugly paperwork things out of the way. So I am really pleased with this. Although everything is getting completely covered in glitter still from those pumpkins. Everywhere I look, there's just glitter. And then lastly, I treated myself to a Yankee candle. So where I went, there was a Yankee candle outlet, and me and my sister were going around smelling them all, and they were all horrible. So I was really disappointed, and I didn't think I was going to get one. And then we went into Hallmark, and then I spotted this one, and me and her both got one of these. So this is Misty Mountains. And I thought, one, the colour is great, like, because some of the Yankee candles are just such garish colours that they just don't really go with your house, even if they smell really nice. I wanted one that was quite neutral, so I think this goes really nice with the grey decor. And it just, oh, it smells so nice. I can't explain the smell, but I'm going to get that lit this afternoon once I pick the kids up, get all cozy for the weekend, and yeah, sit with the fire on with a throw and some snacks. And yeah, I just feel really cozy when I've got some candles lit around the house. I always feel really guilty spending money on something like this, because even though everything I buy that's like small adds together to probably go way over the price of a Yankee candle, but it always feels like quite a treat buying myself a Yankee candle. But this was, it wasn't very much. I think it was £12.50. It was like quite a bargain, because a lot of the time they're could be like £20, can't they, the big ones? So I was pleased with the price of this, and yeah, can't wait to get it lit, which I will do tonight. So guys, that is everything in today's home bargains haul. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you again in my next one. Bye everyone.